love, there's none can do to me. And I will call on the spirit of the Most High living xtrailplayer to eradicate him from off of this island called Jamaica. Some of you are silent.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Back in the day when you hear the term Rastafarian, you used to think consciousness, righteousness, positivity. You used to think of a movement. But nowadays, it seems like some Rasta or some dread water down the thing. Cause them are indulged in some unclean things where they're not supposed to mix in. You see the other day my post, Lion Chad have burn out certain Rastas. Well, right now, me have another empress, a Rasta empress, we have voice our opinion and our concerns. And people, she burn a real fire. Listen this.
Salam Rastafari TV, Stephanie, the barefoot heiress and major architect. I'm going to rip the band-aid off of the Rasta community. Notice I didn't say Rastafari. I'm going to rip the band-aid off the Rastafari community because the Holy Spirit, the Menfeskidus, have given I the authority without fear to speak the truth. You're masking under Rastafari, you wolves, and you are pedophiles. I know so much about you. You're threatening the women, you're threatening the children. They're coming to me, and I have authority over you dark energies. The glory of Rastafari have left Jamaica and it has gone to other nations because you have turned to false gods. You have turned to pedophilia. You've been pedophiles from long time because you hide under the dreadlocks. You are dreadhead. You are not Rastafari. Some of you are raping boys and girls on top of Bubba Hill. I see a cis train about 3 or 4 strong ago put up pictures of some so-called Bubba that is buggering the little children, pedophiles. And when she put it up, all the sisters were commenting, yes, they raped my children. Yes, they did that to my son. And as soon as she put it up, she had to take it down because she got death threats. I'm not scared of you. Energy goes from high to low. Mama is talking from a heart of love right now. And when I'm coming from a heart of love, there's none can do to me. And I will call on the spirit of the Most High living xtrailplayer to eradicate him from off of this island called Jamaica. Some of you are silent, and that's why the homosexuals can take over now, because you've been homosexuals from long time. If I wanted to be the National Enquirer for Rasta, I could have made enough money and reveal your pedophile tape, your sex tape, and make it to my desk first. Your friends and the people in the rape, make it to my desk first. But because, decline me, sir. Stop the call there. But because of the Most High, give me love. Why don't reveal someone upon radio with big rank have a big homosexual and pedophilia ring at Jamaica. The Rastafari them are Ethiopia, Kenya, Malawi, South Africa, we're stronger down. And to all my brothers and sisters still holding the faith, keep holding the faith. Some of y'all are scared to talk because your life is being threatened. But remember, energy goes from high to low, from heaven to earth. Demons can't reach if y'all talk from Mount Zion like me. You understand? So you're going to start seeing a whole heap of people right now reveal. You're going to see police cart them away. You think that Lila Ike and Coffee and them and the whole Reggae Revival and Janine and them was the only one that's going to be revealed? Some of them are masking under yoga. That even the yogis in India are ashamed of you because you're using it as something for make fame. Yoga is not something for ramp with. Even the yogis can tell you you're doing it incorrectly. And some of y'all are bringing in the white witches from Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth bitch camp. You're bringing in the white witches a yard for suck the bloods of the people. This is time to clean house. Y'all know who I'm talking about. And some of y'all are big shot. Putting guns in the people them hand. I don't have certain rank. Right now, a command by the power of xtrailplayer on the rank. Break and eradicate. And some of the young soldiers them like T. Jean. Me see a hold it. A hold the righteousness. Denroy Morgan. Top talent. The Hebrew. The house of the Beta Israel. The house of the Beta Christian. Tewahido. When you can't stop with. Some of the priests were masked as Ethiopian Orthodox. When you're working for the Vatican. When the throne gone down. The spirit of the living God gonna reveal everything. Some of them rape off their own children. I will never kiss your hand, you filthy priest. Disgusting pedophile. I will never kiss your hand in a dirty, stinking priest, pedophile. We don't come up off a Bubba Hilltop, but we not chant righteousness in Emmanuel. We not rape off the children, them. Me tired of the woman, them a call me. Me tired of the children, them a cry. Them a 30-something-year-old. And someone a dirty boy. We not mask and a Rasta. A rape off from the children, them a South Florida. We not gonna today. Like a call on the spirit of the living God for you exterminate all I don't know. Because you don't want to stop. And you're not frightened of the little youth them for talk the truth. I will never stop speak the truth. And I will never stand in the gap for my people because it's out of love I do these things. Energy goes from high to low. So while I'm on Mount Zion and I can't reach me, the demon, you're not going to see. Police are going to carry to no away. Or hearse are going to come for no. And those who know that what is going on and not clean off the island, you're just as wrong. You cannot let fear cripple you. Someone always write me, I wish I can talk like you, Empress, but I have song for say Una Selassie I warrior. The children them can't sleep at night because I rape off the little boys and girls. Someone have long hair and a mask and a lesbian. You know what I call you? Whores in long dresses. Big Selassie I shirt and long frock and turban up. Whores in long dresses. Me not gonna eat enough food from the dead off of this earth. Or to repent. You see me? This is the mountain of transfiguration may I talk to you from. Never again will you walk this earth. Never again. I'm a survivor of one of disgustingness. And not until this island clean up. The glory of God has left Jamaica and gone to Africa. Europe a whole righteousness stronger than you know. And a filthy piece of disgustingness. Raping off children, women, pedophilia, homosexuality. I don't know, worship them like them a big shot. I put gun down in the hand for kill off the youth them. You know who you are. I'm not scared of you. You're like a little ant and flea. Even ants and fleas have more power than you. Disgustingness. I rip off the band-aid off a Rasta today. Whores in long dresses, pedophiles, homosexuals. Come out of the camp. Watch and see what's going to happen to you now. Watch and see.
Now she definitely make it clear how she feel about this whole thing here, you know. And you notice that she not put her mouth her ground and talk. She say, yo, she a call them out. Watch out, man, people. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Make me know what I have to say. Now, Queen Ifrica is not far off from what she is saying, you know, because she even reposted a clip out of this same video where Queen Ifrica addressed something as well. So I just decided to just bring the Queen Ifrica clip and make on the hear what Queen Ifrica said. Now Queen Ifrica posted this about a couple months well back, but I don't know if I wanna still not see it, but I gonna make you see it right now. She addressed, you know, the whole politician thing. She addressed the nastiness we are going in Jamaica. She addressed, you know, a lot of things. Listen this.
Before me talk about myself, would I like say something about the pastor, Peter Chambers. Now, I saw this video, well, many videos circulating in the social space with this pastor man called himself the man of God. Not particular one that I shared though. Before I shared it, I reached out to him based on the very concerns I see a lot of ones having underneath the post. So I reached out to him and I specifically asked him if he was connected to any one of these political parties. And if I'm going to answer your fear, he was very disrespectful in his answer because he was like, I am the politician, that's why I asking him if he's the politician and stuff. And I answered him and I said, wow, I was about to share your thing on my platform, but owing to the fact that I am non-aligned, it sound a lot like you mentioned the other one side a lot. So, you know, but then I would encourage people when they see me post something to read the captions before you watch or look at what I post, because if you're going to just look at a picture and then make a comment from that, fine. No. I don't hear nobody talking about the 3 earthquake that the man predict and the 3 of them happen in the 3 weeks. In the same week in Jamaica. I don't hear anyone talk about the fact that he's saying that a tsunami, God tell me a tsunami will come to Jamaica and that rain would interrupt the election. And we saw that rain really started falling since the 1st of September. And even though because of the blessed people that Jamaicans are, the tsunami no come because people like myself, they are pray to and I say, that was hard. You see what I say? But since we start to ignore the voice of God, put aside the carrier of the voice. Because yes, Mr. Chambers really sound like, you know, him strong on the labor rights side in turn. But even me too, people come against me if I say something to bro God specifically. And I would be speaking out of the context of saying that he's the leader now. He's the one that is in power. So I would think that he's the one that in power that you talk to. All right, fine. The man said that God is speaking to him specifically about members of the leading government that is in power right now. That's his prerogative. I would never try to ask him how him get film information and how him disperse it. What I am paying attention to are the elements of him saying that Jamaicans don't have anyone to defend them, and every time anyone come up to defend Jamaican people, they are dealt with in the way he's dealt with, to say that he's a politician. And I ignored the backlash that I would get from sharing the video because of the truth that he was talking. What truth? The earthquakes that he talked about. He had a video before this one, you know, where he spoke about another earthquake that was going to come, and the earthquake came the following day after he did the video. None of you can make me plug out of the atoms, you know. So even if Pastor Chambers need to go work on himself and fix himself in terms of how him do, that is why I don't try to take side with no part of society, because when you speak in truth on behalf of people, you cannot afford to take side with the system, none at all. Every artist who takes side with either Labour Right or PNP get compromised. Call name. I saw an interview on CVM last night about artists who take part in politics. Seeing? As an artist, you cannot take part with no politician, no sector of society. If you're going to lend your voice to any part of society, you have to make sure that it is in the interest of the people. The people must be at the forefront of what you're saying. It's more than maybe about 5 people me seeing in the comments where really hear where this man really has say, aside from the fact say him a call out the Prime Minister specifically and members of him cabinet, you know. Me no hear no one really reiterate the fact say the man has said Jamaica need help, you know. And we leaders them sign devil deal, you know. We don't believe so we leaders them sign devil deal against with it true. You tell me so I don't believe that, so the leaders them not put our greatest interest at heart when them make cut them deal them, because guess what? They can't even say no to these guys. The only way they could say no to these guys if they decide to stand with the people of Jamaica, all 3.8 million of us. So they have to make a decision to stand on the side of the system, and we have to just fall in. Them don't support nothing about Jamaica. We're positive, we're good. It's all the negatives them empower. And then when the youths them behave the way them behave, they lock them up in a prison. Or when them kill off themselves, them drop them. If bro God, the Prime Minister knows same can put on clocks and play. Mr. Universe, him no know say him can put on clocks and play Mr. Universe and go in the community, them go help the youth them with crime too. Everybody a run out with them song them with them know say these very songs that influence the youth them. Me no hear one, I don't think I hear one Chronics or the one Mr. Big protege him. Me no think me hear one of them song him come out and maybe true them no use for him song make him a come talk about him no support politician. The whole of these new youths sell out with culture. Take side with the LGBTQ community in a Jamaica and well empowered and a move nice and sweet. Because them know say no one can talk to them. And artists like we there in with natural self. What we say we there in with natural, normal self align with the atom same way we not deter. Then call we dinosaur. That's why I put on my lesbian blouse. Because this is the strength of woman in a Jamaica now, the tiger print here. Nadine Spence. You need to call me if you are the president of Women Affairs in a Jamaica. You're supposed to hear about a Queen of Africa and know what a Queen of Africa do in a music business. Nadine Spence. The little brother up a Jamaican for Justice who jumped the gun the other day. And come a talk, say him a talk on behalf of Rasta. Tell the people the truth so you're not talking on behalf of no Rasta. But you're using Rasta struggles to piggyback your gay agenda. And to put it on the Jamaican people and have normal people for in them regular sense. We really and truly know say there's a terrible discrimination against Rasta in this country of it true. You know, I come use that no one I use gay advocates them to be the face of Rasta struggle. You can fool some people sometime, but you can't fool all the people all the time. The PNP government was in power when I went to the Grand Gala and reminded young Jamaican people that we are a special people and that the fact that we are willing to stand in the tenets of the Almighty is wonderful. The Labour right government win after that and said them is going to make things right. We noticed the question didn't even ask in the debate as to the way forward with the LGBTQ community out here. Nadine Spence again, we need to talk about our young people them wanna advocate for out there and a throw a stone for. Why are we not so interested in our young people them? And have them a call elders hall and if you go sit down one side, me I watch you interview them. What happened? What happened since I went to the Grand Gala? That young people don't want to see us anymore. Is ready, we not ready for address Proto J and Chronix and Leela Ike and Janine and Savannah them yet. Already we not ready for address them yet. For ask them is who did make them as popular them are as them are. Bunty. If it wasn't the people of this country, or probably it wasn't, was it? Was it really Jamaicans who made you guys popular? That's another topic of discussion. The item must allow these truth to be in the space to man. Yes, Peter Chambers might be a little ignorant in how him disperse him message from him God. But at least give him the benefit of the doubt by looking at what he's saying. And the fact that all of his, I don't know about the Peter them, the Andrew them part, like him calling them names. But for the most part, the man he predict a 3 earthquake and a 3 earthquake shake. Never predict him say God said them a go shake. Him a go shake because God want Jamaica people to not vote in the next election where I come because of the devil you are going to vote for. The man said the tsunami are coming through people like we there where I said, no sir, do God. No, Jamaica people not deserve that. I true they don't know what go on. If you notice out I do overcast. And the man say, rain are going to interrupt the election. Now them something that me personally not take that for granted. Me not care when nobody wants to say. That I remind me say the atoms is alive and well and I pay attention and I hope say the people them stand up and defend nature. Stand up and defend nature, Jamaican people. We live in the middle of water. We live in the middle of water. We are sea people. That means to say we did naturally know how to survive. We never have no road for drive go Cuba nor 80. We special Jamaican people. Just show them no wake up back for me. They do. And me go change how me start talk to you now on IG. But me did want lend a voice to the pastor. Because me also did turn a blind eye to him ignorance in terms of how he might get him message. But that's when me listen him over and over again. Him have a God where I give him some specific message for some specific members of the governments. But that wasn't my motivation for sharing him. My motivation for sharing him was the element of nature where me come from and where me represent for. We say the earthquake them a go shake. And the tsunami and the weather and the rain we a go fall. And since him put out that the video when me put up rain a fall since the 1st of September. Me not care. You pray for yourself and check and tell me there.
Well, alright, Unstoppable family, there you have it. We reached the end of the video right now. What you feel, what you think about what the two Empress had to say? I want to hear your opinion down in the comment section. Zane, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is the first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. And I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.